G'day business apps builders. I wanted to share with you an important insight and share something I made just for you. After spending thousands of hours coaching teams from all over the globe, I've learned one big lesson. Everyone who wants to use an agile approach to build business applications has a different definition of what agile is. Some recognize it's a philosophy, but a lot of people think it's a methodology. If you're a business apps maker getting started in your agile journey, then it's worth understanding what agile really means. Where did agile approaches come from? What are the benefits for Microsoft partners and customers? And how can you get started and certified in the most popular agile framework of them all? I put together a short, action-packed foundations course that reveals why traditional approaches to software development don't work for low-code, no-code business applications. You'll learn about the Agile Manifesto and the history of agile practices, the benefits of an agile approach for your applications, and you'll learn about the Scrum framework and how to achieve your Scrum certification, all in less time than it takes you to spin up a new demo environment. It's been said that only a fool learns from their own mistakes, and a wise person learns from the mistakes of others. This is your opportunity to benefit from all the mistakes I've made figuring out what doesn't work in order to identify what does. If you're ready to go beyond thinking about Agile and start being Agile, consider this training your call to action. Click on the button or the link down below to gain instant access for free, or visit customary.com/foundations.